Dallas homeowners are no strangers to unpredictable weather. From powerful thunderstorms and high winds to sudden temperature swings, your home's windows play a critical role in protecting your space. When it's time for an upgrade, choosing storm-resistant window replacement solutions can make a significant difference in both safety and long-term performance. Storm-resistant windows are designed to handle harsh conditions without compromising comfort or style. They combine durable materials, advanced glass technology, and strong construction to create a reliable barrier against the elements, making them an ideal choice for Dallas homes. One of the most important features of storm-resistant windows is impact-resistant glass. This type of glass is built with multiple layers that hold together even when struck by debris. During severe weather, flying objects can pose a serious risk to standard windows. Impact-resistant glass helps prevent shattering, keeping your home protected and reducing the chance of interior damage. Frame strength is another key component. Storm-resistant windows are often constructed with reinforced frames made from materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum. These materials are designed to withstand pressure from strong winds without bending or breaking. In Dallas, where storms can bring sudden gusts, having a sturdy frame is essential for maintaining your home's structural integrity. Sealing and weatherproofing also play a major role. Properly designed storm-resistant windows include advanced weather stripping and tight seals that prevent water and air from entering your home. Heavy rain can quickly find its way through poorly sealed windows, leading to leaks and potential damage. A well-sealed window keeps moisture out and helps maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Wind resistance is especially important in storm-prone areas. Storm-resistant windows are engineered to handle high wind pressure without failing. By staying intact during extreme conditions, they help prevent pressure buildup inside your home, which can lead to more serious structural issues. Energy efficiency is another benefit that comes with modern storm-resistant windows. While their primary purpose is protection, they also feature insulated glass and tight construction that reduce heat transfer. In Dallas's hot climate, this means keeping cool air inside and reducing the workload on your air conditioning system. Over time, this can lead to lower energy bills and improved comfort. Noise reduction is an added advantage that many homeowners appreciate. The same features that help block out storms, such as multi-pane glass and strong seals, also reduce outside noise. This creates a quieter indoor environment, even during heavy rain or high winds. Customization options allow you to choose storm-resistant windows that match your home's style. Whether you prefer double-hung, casement, or picture windows, there are storm-resistant versions available that combine performance with visual appeal. This means you don't have to sacrifice design to gain protection. Professional installation is critical to ensuring your windows perform as intended. Even the most advanced storm-resistant windows won't be effective if they're not installed correctly. Experienced installers ensure a precise fit, proper sealing, and secure anchoring, allowing your windows to withstand extreme conditions. Another important consideration is long-term durability. Storm-resistant windows are built to handle repeated exposure to harsh weather, making them a smart investment for Dallas homeowners. Their strong construction reduces the need for frequent repairs and helps maintain their performance over time. In addition to protecting your home, these windows can also increase property value. Buyers often look for homes that are prepared for local weather conditions, and storm-resistant features can make your property more attractive in the market. Maintenance is also relatively simple. High-quality materials are designed to resist wear, moisture, and temperature changes, requiring minimal upkeep. Regular cleaning and occasional inspections are usually enough to keep them in excellent condition. Ultimately, storm-resistant window replacement is about more than just preparing for severe weather. It's about creating a safer, more comfortable home year-round. For Dallas homeowners, these solutions provide peace of mind, improved efficiency, and long-lasting performance. If you're considering replacing your windows, investing in storm-resistant options is a smart step toward protecting your home. With the right materials and professional installation, you can enjoy a home that's ready for whatever Dallas weather brings, while staying comfortable and secure in every season.